on site. New food forest install at our friend Russell Care to Grow mushroom farm. We just laid out all the trees, so I'm gonna walk you through and show you everything we got laid out. And he already brought a whole bunch of mushroom compost. Basically, this is just his spent blocks of mushroom all through here. So the soil is rich. We got an egg fruit. Just go this way. And right along this is a pond here, right along the pond edge, we got longevity spinach, white sapote, milkweed, guava, toilet paper plant, grafted mango, another toilet paper, a mulberry, Tice mulberry, toilet paper, papaya. Coming around, we got 2 lemon balms surrounding this nice mango. We got a guava with a little tomato. We got toilet paper, avocado, lemon balm. We got a tamarind tucked back in here. Tamarind. And then we got rosemary next to the peanut butter fruit, next to the sugar cane. And we got a little bed here around this tree with a mountain sop. There's an arrowroot patch. And we got a couple pineapples on the edge here with a dragon fruit that's gonna climb. A couple Suriname cherries. A nice big old aloe. More longevity spinach. This beautiful green sapote. And then we got some Cuban oregano with the star fruit. And a mint and more aloe. And another egg fruit with cardamom. Cardamom in the galangal ginger family. Yeah, this is gonna be a beautiful project. We're stoked. And we're gonna mix in horse manure and then like with every tree and every plant. And then we're gonna add more mushroom compost, spent mushroom blocks on top of that. This is gonna be very fertile and gonna grow very fast. Choo. Let's grow.
Hart Healthy Farm. Woo! And over here we got the horse manure. Yoo-hoo! On this side.
Lunch break. Food forest install. Lunch break.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a good one.
We eat fruit.
Fruit. All day, every day.
It's a Glen mango from the parents' house.
Tastes like a little pina colada vibe.
What is it? What's the flavor description on this mango here?
Pina colada, pineapple, coconut. Delicious.
Take a bite. Nice and juicy.
Oh my god, it's one of my favorites.
Plants are going in. Beautiful green sapote. We got them in. Nice top dressing of horse manure. And then we're gonna come back with some more mushroom spent blocks. We'll show you the huge pile of mushroom blocks he has here at the mushroom farm. Yeah, this is just a little snackaroo for us to keep going. A little fuel the fire. These trees are in. And this project will be coming back probably every 2 months or so for maintenance and expansion. To expand and plant more over here. And we're gonna plant all around that big pond. Put coconuts and bananas all around the pond. And even expand some back here. It's beautiful property. And there's Russell's mushroom farm over here. She's eating all the mango.
I saved you some.
Over here at Russell's Care to Grow mushroom farm. This is what it looks like when they just dump it. Yeah, I think they literally dumped these. They harvested and dumped these this morning. They got a big ass fucking mountain of this. And a lot of this has been sitting for years. So when it sits for years, then it turns into this just glorious substance. As you can see, the millipedes are having a ball. All the bugs are having a ball in this. And so we used this. Well, first he used this to layer on the bottom before we planted, and then we planted, and then we added horse manure, and then we added this on top. So we got layers of goodness out there for his fruit trees and food forest to thrive. Look at all this mushroom blocks. It's actually incredible. It's a very active mushroom farm out here. And they're just growing so many mushrooms, and this is the waste product, if you will. But if you're growing food, this is heaven on earth right here, baby. This is what you look for. This is what you freaking need. Like if I had this on the farm, we'd be living lavish. So yeah. I mean, we haven't even touched it. Made a little dent over there, but you know, like with the expansion of the food forest we're gonna do here, we're eventually, ideally, you know, gonna use all this. So he's gonna have no waste from his mushroom farm here. And I'll take you over to Hart Healthy Farm. Take you over to the horse manure. He's got chickens, he's got roosters out here, he's got a whole farm out here. It's beautiful to see. And here's the horse manure pile. So this is what we were layering in between the layers of mushroom compost. So here we got the trees in. Food forest is looking nice. We left like nice little pathways, pretty wide pathways right now at least, but eventually these are gonna fill in pretty densely, and yeah, so you're gonna have to crawl through here eventually, but for now it's nice and wide pathways. Everything's in the ground. Got the herbs, got the fruit trees, got the veggies, tomato, nopale. Yeah, we got the sugar cane. I mean, arrowroot. It's a beautiful garden here, and it's right on the side of his pond. Yeah, as you can see, we top dressed everything after the horse manure and after it was already laid down with blocks of spent mushroom blocks. Horse manure around the trees, and then even more mushroom stuff around the trees. So this is just straight fertility in here. Richness, huh?
Oh yeah.
Russell's rich. Looking beautiful.
Food for the food.
And he's already got tomato flowers. You can have fruit real soon. And this is just the beginning. just phase 1 of the food forest install. Let's grow, people. Do you want your backyard to look like this and grow you food? DM us, message us. Southwest Florida, let's make it happen.
Worldwide.
Worldwide. Beautiful green spot there.